Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Honda Accord VTi sedan, stock reference number 4534. This shape runs from the second month 2008 through to the fourth month 2013. It has a K24Z2 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K24Z2 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. It does have a little bit of paint peeling on it. Still may be usable. Left front door has no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. It is faded on the top edge. Right-hand boot lid garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror also has a little bit of paint peeling, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, control panel, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor. And we also have the rear headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.